Halloween in London. The city was alive. Lights, parties, and the sound of Uber notifications pinging non-stop suggests to me it will be a great night. However, an unfortunate incident happens when a passenger vomited in my car. Let's roll the intro. Hi guys, and welcome back to Right Hustle, the channel where we dive into the real hustle behind the wheels of an Uber driver in London. If you are new here, I say welcome. My name is Bola, your host. I received a notification from Uber advising a possible high demand on Halloween Day. On the day, I logged into my app at around 4:30 p.m. to get the day started. I started with a local trip. It was a trip of about 3.5 miles and earned £8.45. Just before the first trip ended, I received another ping from Uber. It was a 4-mile trip and earned £10.60 on that trip. Again, similar incident. Just before I ended that second trip, another ping came in. It was a trip of 4.7 miles and earned £9.98 on that as well. On my way to dropping off the third passenger, there was a beautiful scene along the road. So I earmarked that location. After dropping that passenger, I decided to come back to that location to have a view of what was going on. It was a beautiful scene in a private home. Have a look, and I believe you will enjoy it. The day progresses smoothly, apart from few traffics here and there. And after 5 trips, I have made £55.31. After dropping that 5th passenger, it was raining heavily, so I decided to have a short break. I parked in a quiet location where I had my tuna sweet corn sandwich. As you know, that is my favorite. After that short break, I returned back to work, logged into my app, and it was busy. It was red everywhere. So I completed a further 6 to 7 trips back to back non-stop. Here is the latest update. I have now completed 11 trips altogether and earned £155.52. Like I said in my intro, this unfortunate incident happened that night. I picked up this young lady from the court going to Regent Street, all in central London. It was a distance of less than 5 miles, and the upfront estimate was £27.47. A surge trip. The rider got on. Seems fine at first. She was polite and quiet. But few moments later, it was a disaster. Without any warning, the rider vomited in the car. And the worst part, the rider didn't say a word. She tried to cover it up and tried to walk out quietly. I perceived some odor after a while, but I wasn't sure what was happening and I wasn't ready to confront her, so I kept quiet. When I arrived at our drop-off location, this young lady quietly opened the door and got out of the car. So I had a look at the back and I saw a big mess, a vomit on the seat. I could not believe my eyes. So I quickly jumped out and asked her the question, "Young lady, what happened?" And she pretended as if nothing happened at all. That I was absolutely surprised and very offended for what she did. Like they say, customers are always right. So I let go, but called Uber immediately to report the incident. After I have reported the incident to Uber, I logged off completely and head straight home. The next day, I went to the car wash to get the car washed. In fact, I did what they call a super wash, which cost me £50. I took the receipt from the vendor, attached it to my app and the mess, and sent to Uber. Within hours, the expenses was approved and £50 was paid into my account. But I wasn't satisfied because I was expecting more than £50. What about my loss of earnings? So I contacted Uber and requested for loss of earnings. They came back to me and said they have reviewed the pictures that I sent to them and £50 was the best they could pay. I replied to that email and saying that I am requesting for loss of earnings. Again, we went forth and back. We exchanged about 4 to 5 emails. And I specifically requesting for loss of earnings. And I'm getting exactly the same reply, exactly the same response from Uber. At this junction, I decided to make a call to Uber. I spoke to the support team and I got exactly the same message that was sent to me on email. The same script was read to me while I was on the call with this customer support. So I reiterate my demand that I want to claim for loss of earnings. It kept me on hold for about 5 minutes and came back to me and said, sorry, £50 was the maximum they can do. So I asked, how can I escalate this incident? The customer support I had online informed me that there is no escalation procedure in place. But if I want to take it forward, I will have to visit my nearest Greenlight hub, and ended the conversation there. Here is the stats for the day. Online time, 8 hours, 40 minutes. Driving time, 7 hours, 24 minutes. Trips, 13 trips. Earnings, £201, 13 pence. EV charging, £17. Car wash, £50, refunded by Uber. Now, I have got a task for you guys. Based on my earnings, expenses, and driving time, can you calculate my hourly rate? Please leave your answer in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, drive smart and stay safe. I shall see you in the next episode.